Hello everybody, today we are going to fix this gap in this laminate floor. This is the LVT, laminate veneer planks. And when I installed it, I didn't get this seam in 100% correct. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that today. Materials, just a small 2x4, hammer, utility knife just to cut the tape. We're gonna use this double-sided carpet tape. And then this is some glue, came from Mannington. I bought the floor from Mannington, and when I bought it, I also bought the seam sealer. And bought this separate. It's just a little container with a needle point. And we'll put some glue in here when we knock this over. So it's pretty easy to do, and we'll get walking through the steps. All right, so we're gonna take our 2x4. Set it down. We're going to take a small section of tape. Doesn't have to be big. Just going to cut a little section off. Put that aside. We'll unpeel the one side. Kind of stick it on here. And then unpeel the other side. Now, I did not clean and dust this floor first because I really don't want a permanent hold. I just want enough tackiness that it grips on and starts pulling it over. So after that, you can stick that on there. And then if you're not using the seam sealer, it's really easy. Once you start knocking it, you can see that that gap is getting smaller. So we knock it over a little bit, it starts moving over. Now, if you find it catching at all, you can push down on one end. Mine are pretty flush, so I'm not too worried about it. But now that I'm close, I'm gonna take my seam sealer here, and I'm going to put a little line in here. Put that off to the side, and then we'll just finish knocking it over. So you just gently knock it over. Till it gets nice and tight in there. And that's it. We'll let that seam sealer dry, and we'll go from there. Now to take this piece off, usually you can just grab it and pull up, because since it wasn't clean first, the dust and everything clung to it. So that's the quick and easy way to fix your seam. Just a wood block, double-sided tape, some seam sealer, and we're good to go. Hopefully I'll never have an issue with this since I did use that seam sealer. If you don't use it over time, it might happen again, and then you just follow those same steps. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns on that, please leave them in the comments below. Hit like, subscribe, and we will talk to you soon.